So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys this simple but amazing remedy that has worked wonders on my skin. Recently, I couldn't get the soap I usually use on my face, so I decided to try something else, and it broke me out terribly. Now, not only did it break me out, I became like 2 shades darker and my face began to peel. It was a really depressing moment for me. I tried so many things and this is what worked for me. I decided to go back to my Vaseline and toothpaste face masks and brought my face back to normal. For this face mask, you need just 2 ingredients. You need your Vaseline, petroleum jelly, and you also need a fluoride-based toothpaste. For me, I'm using Colgate toothpaste. Now, what you want to do is mix equal proportions of your toothpaste and your petroleum jelly together and apply it on your face. Now, before you apply this on your face, make sure you do a patch test by applying a little sample on maybe your hand or on your cheek to see if it irritates your skin. If it doesn't irritate your skin, then go ahead and apply it all over your face. I did this twice a week alongside my regular everyday skincare routine. If you want to see what my skincare routine comprises of, make sure you comment down below and I'll upload that video. After applying the face masks on your face, you want to leave this for about 5 minutes and then go ahead and rinse it with like warm water. After rinsing my face, I just used my face towel to pat my face dry. This face mask is so good. It dried up my pimples in less than a week. As you can see, my face is glowing. I didn't even need to apply any moisturizer afterwards. My face was really moisturized after I rinsed it off. My face isn't 100% perfect yet, but for the mere fact that it is a whole lot better than how it looked a month ago in the previous clips, I'm so happy. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Till then, bye guys.